Me and my wife just transferred to this house a couple of weeks ago, and still this house has a lot of things to do. I managed to install this wiring here, wiring up there. I've wired them all. The problem I'm having is these two bulbs. I don't know why they are keep on blinking. You'll see. Let's see. And I turn it on like that. This is a Firefly bulb, 9 watts, and it's the same as this here, but there's no problem here. You need to turn it on, turn off, turn on, it's okay. And this is also the same, but still it's okay. See, it's not turning on and turning off rapidly. No problem. But this too is having that problem. Sometimes it's not blinking. You see. Oh, there. It's not blinking now. And then when time runs, maybe about 15 minutes, it will start blinking again, and you have to turn it off and turn on again, and then you see, that's the problem. I don't know if some of you there have the same problem, but I'm trying to fix it, so stay tuned. My theory about this problem is, this is the two main line, and then I connected the bulb here like that, and then another bulb here like that, and then to the switch. When you turn it on, the electricity runs here, and this turn on, and then continue here, and this turn on, and this turn off, and then it's looping very fast. That's why it's blinking very fast, rapidly turning on and off. I don't know if that's the real life scenario there, but that's my theory. Now we're gonna change the circuit of the two main line here like that. I will connect the bulb here and here, and the second bulb, so they are directly connected to the main line. And now what we're going to do to create a switch here, we cut this here and create a switch here, and then when it's turned on like that, the current will go there and they will turn on and not blink. Let's see if that's going to happen. Before we start our work, we have to be cautioned, because this is 220 volts. That's going to kill us, so we have to wear safety gear, gloves, and we have to turn off this circuit breaker. Okay, this is the main line, and it is cut, and then it continue here, this connection. So what we're going to do is undo the tape of this guy here, and we will connect it directly here, and this one we will remove this. Okay, I temporarily connected the bulb. I will try to turn on the circuit breaker. They are directly connected to the entire wiring here. I'll turn on the circuit breaker. It's not blinking anymore. See? I think it's working. And if I turn off this circuit breaker here, if I turn it up, it also turned off. And now, what we're going to do is we will cut this one line here and connect this wire there and run it from there until here and connect it to the switch. This is the line for the switch running there. Yes, we'll do that now. Now this is the wiring now. This is the main line. These two are the main line, this one and this one, and I connected the first main line to the wire, and this wire is going to run to the switch line over there. And then the other line is connected to this line, And this 2 line is already connected to that bulb over there. So that's the circuit now. Let's put them all back. Here's the wire now. I've included it in molding. 2 wires fit there. This is going to be connected to this line, the switch. It's too long, so we have to cut it. It's all done. I've hidden the wires, and let's try it out. Let's turn on the circuit breaker. It did not turn on. Let me see. Turn on the switch here. Switch over here. Let's turn it on. No, it's turning on, but I did not. I forgot to connect this one. I will connect it. There you go. It's not blinking anymore. I think I fixed the problem. If you have the same problem, then you can do what I did to this to make sure. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. And please subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you and enjoy.